In this video, I will show how you can trade in any market, using information that is really relevant to your trading. On your screen, you are seeing a box with 20 tools. That will help you in day trade and swing trade operations. Even if you use any operation, such as, for example, price action, ZMC, technical analysis, order flow, or any other. Let's see what each of them shows on the screen, and how they can help with your entry and exit operations, thus leading to consistency. The first of them is the OVA swing. This tool shows important information regarding what is actually happening in the market. Its use is advisable in centralized markets, as it shows the aggression and volume of the market, in addition to showing percentage change in the asset and displacement in points or pipes. Your code also has personalized information created by us, which shows possible points of reversal and continuation of the movement. Its reading is based on supply and demand. With it, we can see effort versus results and know what is happening at that exact moment. Now, let's look at the box. The box gives us the market variation. In relation to the range of movement, you can choose to leave it below the zero axis for better visualization. Reading it helps to visually identify the points with greater amplitude, where they show us regions of possible market reversals. Our next tool is a trend tracker. There are a few ways to follow the price, and one of them is using a trend tracker. Ours has a very high level of accuracy in relation to pullbacks. Its reading is very simple. When it is green, the market is in an upward trend. When it is red, the market is in a downward trend. An important tip is to never use these tools in isolation. Using them together is of fundamental importance, but ahead we will see layout suggestions for your trades. Another indicator that will assist in your operations is the Smart Point. It automatically shows maximum, minimum, opening, and closing. It also shows percentage variations of 0.5 to 3% up and down, from 0.5 to 0.5 percentage point. In addition, it gives you 8 options for points of interest that you can use manually. Now, let's look at the OSV indicator. OSV works on both centralized and decentralized markets. It has its own coloring and was made to visually show you where you're most professionally active. Whenever it is above the zero axis, we have intense professional activity. When we are below the zero axis, we have no professional activity. IT is perfect for identifying convergences and divergences in price and volume. It shows us very well when regional tests are respected. Its color shows us individually whether we have a professional activity or not. Our next tool is the HELC chart. On some platforms it comes native, but here on Mount 5 we had to implement it. Its reading is clearer because we only have 3 pieces of information on the screen: maximum, minimum, and closing. Unlike the candlestick chart, where, in addition to these 3 pieces of information, we also have the opening. And to close this first part of the presentation of our trading tool, that will be your new GPS. Let's talk about Smart. It is a tool that can also be used in any market, centralized or not, and in any operation. It shows the current trend of the asset in 12 different charts. Its base is the Jack Trend Tracker, but here there is a difference. Here we have that when the market is within a region that is not trending, it turns gray. This indicator is perfect for knowing where you are within the market, making it possible to surf big movements. Remembering that you have all these tools on your screen with just one click. To purchase our market GPS, simply click on the first link in the description of this video. Now, let's stop here. Watch part 2, which will be the next video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.